Hello students, today I will start with the new exercise where you have to construct quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 diagonals. It is here 3 sides and 2 diagonals. The first question I am doing here. Here it is given you have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. So here are the measurements are there, 3 sides and 2 diagonal. First you draw a rough sketch, 3 sides and 2 diagonal. ABCD, first you label it A, B, C and D, where AB is 4.5, BC is 3.5, AD is 3 centimeter, AC diagonal is 5 centimeter and BD diagonal is 4.5 centimeter. Now here you have seen after drawing the rough sketch all the 3 sides and 2 diagonals you have drawn, and here you have seen again the properties of triangle is satisfied over here. That means 2 triangles can be formed. That means the quadrilateral can be constructed. Now what you will do, you will start the construction. When you will start the construction, first what you will do, at first with the 3 sides, out of 3 sides any one side you will consider as the baseline. Clear? Any one side you will consider as the baseline. So AB, BC and AD, out of these 3 sides any side you consider as the baseline. So I am considering over here AB as the baseline. It is 4.5. After constructing AB as the baseline 4.5, here you have got 2 endpoints, 2 centers A and B. Now with A and B centers you have to draw the arcs. First you see with A which are the measurements are given. AD is given, AC is given. So AD, first you consider AD. AD is 3 centimeter. So in scale you take 3 centimeter measurement. Clear? Take the measurement correctly. AD 3 centimeter. So with A as the center, A, B, C, D. So here you will draw a arc. Okay, draw an arc. Next you consider AC. Again with A as the center, AC. It is 5 centimeter. So it is 5 centimeter with A as the center. With A as the center, again you draw another arc. I have drawn this side, that means A, B, C, D. Now next is BC, 3.5 centimeter. So with B as the center and by taking measurement 3.5 BC, so it will be this side BC, and next BD 4.5, again BD 4.5. By considering this measurement with B as the center, you draw this side arc. BD will be this side, that means A, B, C, D. So after drawing this one, you have got it is C point, it is D point. Now you join it. And 2 diagonals are there, AC and BD. These 2 diagonal you join as the dotted line. After that you write down all the measurement. BC is 3.5, AD is 3 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter and BD is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? So have you seen the quadrilateral has been constructed? Now with the same way Question number 2 is there. PQRS. You have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS with this measurement. Here I am drawing the rough sketch. You see, draw another rough sketch. PQRS. So after drawing the rough sketch, you put the measurement QR 7 cm. Here PR and PS given same measurement. So PR is the diagonal and PS is the line segment. So both are 5.5 cm. Clear? RS, it is 4.5 cm. And QS, another diagonal, it is 9.5 cm. So here also the triangle property will satisfy. After that you will construct the quadrilateral. Clear? And here also after drawing the construction you will write the steps of construction. Steps of construction, it is must. You have to write, and steps will be same as the previous one. In which way you have drawn, step wise you have to draw. In your own language you can write down. Clear? Now in your book you see here 3 and 4, 2 more are there. 3 you can construct, 4 number it is given whether it will be possible to construct or not. So here you see, very carefully you see the measurement. Here AD and DA, these two are same line segment. AD and DA same line segment, but different measurements are given to you. So it is not possible with the same line segment, there will be different measurements. So this quadrilateral cannot be constructed. So here if not give reason is given, in this reason you will write this point. Clear to you? So exercise A and B I have done. You will all the construction you will do in your copy, and on the basis of these books one I will give you some additional construction as a document, that also you will do. Next I will start with the next element, 4 sides and 1 angle. Is that clear? Thank you.